students, welcome to my class. So today I am going to continue with my same lesson, that is business studies, management of business. So management of business means work done through the effort of others is called as a management of business. So today I am going to explain you all about the functional areas of management and decision making process, importance elements of decision making, and decision making, why it is important. So these are the topics that today I am going to explain you all one by one. So let me start with the functional areas of management. So these are the 6 topics in the functional area: planning, organizing, staffing, directing, coordinating and controlling. So in this functional area, one by one I am going to explain you. First, let me give the functional areas of management meaning. The management has to undertake a number of activities in a systematic manner. So these systematic manner activities are called as managerial functions. How to be managed? The first thing, that is planning. Proper planning should be there. It involves the future course of operation for a given period. The process of planning and includes determination of organization, objects, and formulations of plans, policies, strategies, programs, procedure and schedule. So these are the proper planning should be there. The next one, that is organizing. Here it is the process of bringing together the manpower and the material resources. Putting the material resources and manpower together into working order to achieve the objectives, the things, is the main purpose of the organizing area of managerial function. And the next one, that is third one, staffing, recruitment or appointing, we can do. Recruiting and eligible candidates, selection, placement, training, growth and development of all the members of the organization. That is called as an eligible candidate we need to select for the proper place. The next one, that is directing. Here, giving suggestion, instructing or guiding, supervising and leading the people, the team of an organization towards the success, accomplishment of the organization goals, to achieve their goals. The instructions and proper they need to carry out and the operations are successfully planned. If the operations are, if the planning is proper, directing is, recruiting is proper, organization is proper, so surely we can achieve our goal. That is called as a successful plan. The next one, that is coordinating. Coordination should be there. Group efforts to provide unity of desired goals. So everyone, each and every individual should have the one goal, one desire. Then only we can achieve the things. We can develop, we can bring the growth and development in the organization. The next, the last feature, that is controlling. Here, it covers almost all the management activities. It keeps, it's going on check on the other functions of management. It is a function that every manager in the organization has to perform. He has to control, he has to supervise whether the work, whatever the given work is carried out properly or No. He has to check, he has to do supervise. The next one, that is a decision making process. Decision making process, meaning decision making can be regarded as what you can say as a mental process resulting in the selection of the, and there should be very caution among the several activities. And in this, there is a need for decision making process. So there are the number of choices available even in the small matter. He has to choose one among the several alternatives, and that alternative should be the best suited and economical. It is based on the decision which the businessman has to take. Thus, decision making helps a very significant role in the business. So many options will be there, many alternative, not this one, another one, many things will be there, but he has to do a right choice. So when he will do the right choice, that person is called as a businessman. And decision making can be broadly divided into two types. They are, that is an individual decision making and the group decision making. Here, individual decision making means in a small business organization, it is an individual, a single person who takes all the decisions, and whatever it may be a profit or a loss, a single person, because he is the one who has taken the decision, he is bad for everything, and they are based on the capacity of the individual. Single person will be taking the decision. And the next one, that is group decisions. So here in the group decision, when the time of a decision making by a group of people, as in the case of a partnership firms, here in the large money is economic is invested here, and more number of partners will be there. Here the single person, he can't take whole and sole decision. So when he want to decide something, he has to conduct a meeting, board members meeting, So in that many choices will be there. All the people will be giving the suggestions, So your that is called as a board of directors. Here a number of people take part in taking a decision. So that is the difference between individual decision and the group decision. Individual decision, in that single person will be taking the decision, whereas the group decision, it is a many number of people. It is called as a board of directors. All the people, they'll gather under the one roof and they'll be taking the decision. That is called as a group decision. And the next one is the important elements needed for the decision making. So what are the important elements? Main thing, they need to establishing a goal should be there. We need to reach there. And define the task, planning, and reaching for alternatives. He shouldn't keep any one choice. He has to keep many number of choice alternative. If there is a plan A didn't work, he has to go to plan B. So he has to keep the alternatives. If one is not work, he has to go to another. And he needs to develop the plans going on. And it should be rational thinking. He has to think different, uniquely among others. According to situation, he needs to act. And evaluation. Here they have to come to the conclude. They should be, at the end, they should be grow. So these are the important elements in the decision making. And the next one, decision making importance. Why the decision making is decision making importance. So decision making solves many problems in the business organizations, while when a proper correct decision can bring a profit to the organization, and a wrong decision can result to loss. So while taking the decisions, there should be proper decisions we need to take. If once we take the decision, we have to ready for the profit as well as to the loss. And experience, wise decisions. You should be having more wisdom, more knowledge, firmness. The decision, whatever the decision he will take, it should be a strong decision. He should be very bold, and he should have the clarity. So these are the things should be there in a person while taking the decision. And while taking the decisions and all, we have to keep in a mind that analyzing the problem. If we take the decision, we need to study earlier only. We need to ready to even to take that what problem will get in future. That is called as a study. Planning a course of action. Maintenance, courage, we should be very brave, and patience. Fourth side is future thinking, future planning should be there. And he should be so capable, eligible person that he has to take, he should be very able person to take quick and wise decisions in the business. So this is about the business management. I hope so. You all understood, students. If you have any queries, any doubts and all, you all can contact me, or else you all can come and meet me. Thank you so much.